바랍니다. 좌석 벨트를 매어주십시오. 식당부 좌석에 앉아 계신 승객께서는 좌석 주문에 앉으십시오. Turbulence for the next 20 minutes or so. Flight attendants, moderate turbulence procedures, please.
I'm not getting enough rest. This is the front door. This is our bathroom. And this is the only lights we have. It's very dim in here. Like really, really dim. Ladies set, shower cap, sanitary bag, comb. Our toilet has a bidet. Use that later. I just got a bunch of random stuff. Like, hold on. This is the white kimchi, regular kimchi, rice cakes, fried seaweed, sweet potato, fried sweet potato, more fried sweet potato, and then I think this is beef, bulgogi. I think. Oh, they got the ice cream outside. So trustworthy. Oh my god, look, it has the coffee stuff.
How they do?
Hershey's hot chocolate. They have cream filled buns. Ready to eat meals. They have a burger in a bag too. All we got at the convenience store was water. Just water.
Just through the next 11 days, though.
Maybe. One half sip per day. But it feels really good outside.
Let me record.
Okay, so today is officially day one, and right now we're eating breakfast at the hotel. I just got like, I got 3 types of eggs: scrambled, over easy, and then boiled. I got a little bit of bacon, and then sausage, and then I got a cappuccino. Wanna say hi? Oh, okay. We're gonna let her eat.
I got French fries because they have French fries, eggs, and peaches. Yeah.
I think I might have to go back up there and get another snack. Let's try this cappuccino. Oh my god, that is straight. Hold on. I'm gonna put some brown sugar in it because it's a little too bitter for me. Of course, I gotta use brown sugar. Are you gonna go get a coffee, or are you not dependent?
I had to beat my addiction before I came, so.
Much better. All I needed was a little sugar. You wanna try some?
Places that remain in Seoul, and after about an hour and a half we will go to Bukchon area. Bukchon is actually Buk is north and Chon is village.
Where are we headed, Sky?
The Gyeongbokgung Palace.
There we go. I don't know how to pronounce it. We were gonna try and wear the handboks, but they're $20. I don't know why I thought it was free, but
I was free too. Yeah.
like I honestly, I'm not paying $20 to be hot. Sorry, baby, that's not me right now.
I know I'm never wearing it again.
Exactly. No, we got other times to wear it in life, just not right now when it's hot as hell. We got. Ooh. Yes. Thank you. Put your index finger here. Right now we're in front of the palace. It's not open yet, I don't think. Oh, but it is hot. Y'all, there's no shade in this immediate area except the wall. Okay, so now we're actually inside of the palace. And it looks pretty nice so far. Very hot. It's like there's no room for shade anywhere here. And then they have that little dungeon. I mean, it all kind of looks the same from each layer. See? I think we're actually inside of the palace now. So there's more parts to the palace. Like, I mean, it just keeps getting deeper and deeper. Okay, I think this is the actual palace now. Y'all want to get in? Good enough. Good enough. And I never realized how many mountains surrounded Korea. Maybe I'm just a little slow. Wow, this is beautiful. All right, let's try to squeeze in somewhere. This is inside of the palace. It's inside the palace. It feels so much cooler here.
Do they know where to be?
I feel like I'm gonna get heat stroke. It's so damn hot. Like, so hot. We're given free time just to walk down a hill. I don't understand that. But let's go with it. That's what we're dealing with right now, but it's so hot, and we had to walk uphill, and I genuinely thought I was gonna pass out. Like, it felt like I was on the Stairmaster. Okay, and now we will go back down. It's beautiful up here, but not sexy enough to walk up here when it's hot as fuck. It's like 100 degrees out today.
Oh, there's a friend in here. Thank God. They know me so well. I think that.
And we only have, how many minutes do we have left to eat? Oh, Lord.
That's crazy. If I'm late, I'm late.
No.
I'm gonna eat.
We poured water. I hope it's not like I hope it's not like, you know, you're not supposed to drink like plain water from countries. I don't know if it's the same here, but we're gonna drink it anyway. So they brought us miso soup. This is for, he said this is for the beef rice, right?
Yeah.
Beef rice, I don't have that. We got the pork bowl. And I think these are the side dishes.
What got into my cups?
That's just a little flavor.
Okay, I'm gonna just set
Good. Tastes like fast food, like fried food. I think that's what these fried bits are. So she got the beef bowl. Tell me what's in it.
Ooh, I want it. Beef. I honestly don't know what this is.
Kamsahamnida. Thank you. So okay, go ahead, tell me.
Okay, beef, onion. Don't know what this is. Egg, raw egg.
Chives. That's
chives. More onion and rice.
And then you got wasabi, I think.
Oh.
We got the pork bowl. I got sunny side up eggs, purple rice, and chives. These are the chives. Cable car ride. Oh, try ơi. We're getting up there, and then we're gonna go all the way up there. Okay, that's bigger than I expected. We're on the cable car now. My hand hurts from gripping the. No, I'm about to get me one. They got the love locks up there.
Oh my
Okay.
gosh.
Okay, we made it up. They have water.
Oh, I'm through.
Oh, it's for water. Oh, okay. Okay, now we're just sitting waiting to go up to the tower, but she has to get tickets. And now we're just sitting on these steps trying to cool off because we don't want to stand for too long, and then we don't want to sit for too long because we did sit for like an hour in the library.
Right.
So it's just a lot of waiting. Let's make a movie. Oh wait, y'all know I can't see good in the dark. But I can't see good in the dark. It feels like I'm tripping on acid or something. This is not. This is. Where's the tower at, y'all? 감사합니다. Is this it? Wow. Alright, find a space. Yeah. What? I didn't realize Korea was this big.
Right? Like.
Period. I think y'all ate with this one. Okay. You can't see my face good because the lighting, but we're here. Very exciting. These are, but apparently Korea has a lot of them.
Oh my god. We're about to go.
Got the grapefruit orange drink. I gotta find a place to calm down to drink this. Good old American water. Okay, so I went to Tusum and I got orange grapefruit. And it has real bits of grapefruit in it, and I like that. But I'm not sure. I mean, the flavors go well together because they're both like kind of bitter. I like it.
Okay, let's see. Ready?
Cheers. What flavor is yours? Oh, yeah.
Strawberry and what flavor did you get? Green grape. Green.
Go ahead. You go first.
No,
Gas?
like grape.
Oh, okay. Your turn.
Okay. Tastes like chip. Damn it.
Oh my, here she go. Here she go. Go ahead. Gas?
It's
No, they don't like it. How's yours?
great.
Yeah. So I like mine and she likes hers, so I guess that's all that matters. Okay, so now we're in. I'm not sure where we are. Sky, where are we?
We're at Myeongdong.
Myeongdong, and now we have 2 hours of freedom, so we're gonna go run around and do stuff with that. This is what we're looking at so far. And how the hell did we cross the street? So right now we stumbled into some market in Myeongdong, and we don't know what we're looking for at all. Down and to the left. So now we're just trying to find something. Oh wow, a bunch of street food and stuff. Oh, now we're getting to the thick of it. Oh, shirts and stuff. And we're still in the garment district, just looking for random stuff. But yeah, see? Fruit drinks over here. And it smells very sweet. They even have a GS25 here. But I think it would just be packed. This place looks lively. I think this might be a better solution. This place is cute.
It's got dancing kitties.
Okay. Okay, we just made it to a restaurant after a good little walk of shopping, and if you can see how wet my face is, that's not a lie. I'm soaking wet. And now we're gonna eat, I think bibimbap. I would rather eat something cold, but here we are eating something very hot. I'm so hot, and I don't think I can be consoled right now.
I can always eat.
Yeah, the way your ass ate all that pork. Girl, you're like, it wasn't even that good. Okay, girl. Damn near about to eat the damn spoon.
You guys haven't seen that video?
I have. Because I looked down, I was like, she ate all her rice too? Y'all. Alright, we're gonna. Oh, that looks cold right there. Come on now. Sky, it's your turn. Are you gonna pour us water? Just a little bit of water. Nice and cold, that's how I like it. Oh, period. So right now we're eating bibimbap, and it has so far just egg yolk, seaweed. I don't know what that is. And rice at the bottom. And I guess we add our fixins. It is very hot. Oh, it's sizzling when we mix it. That's the mung bean pancake, and this is our, I guess this is a miso soup type. And we're supposed to dip it in this oil.
Soy sauce.
Soy sauce, thank you.
And then you need to cook that.
Okay, let's see. Mmm,
I really like the sauce.
nice and crispy.
So the main dish is not. Okay, it's fish free.